morning, Saturday morning. We're at Southbourne, as you can probably see. Not many people here really. That's the main Sobo, that's where all the coffee places, and I think there's a Chinese and everything there. There's a yoga group going on there and stuff. But, it's not very nice this morning. It's good enough for me, I like it, but not for people coming down. They want to sunbathe with that. It's quite blowy, bit of wind. And we've got these dark clouds coming towards us, so I don't know what that's going to do. Mind the water shirt. Don't want to get your paws wet, do you? She doesn't care. I don't want to get my paws wet. With those shoes. Well, it didn't ruin them last time I got wet. There, we're looking down your right, where that red, where is it? That red thing is there somewhere. Just behind there, Jason, is your beach huts down at Boscombe. I say yours, they are yours. Everybody knows that. Oh, loads of dogs. Mind the dogs.